The Hunter NODE-BT-100 sprinkler controller offers seamless control over irrigation systems through its smart Bluetooth app, allowing for easy adjustments and monitoring from up to 50 feet away. Designed to withstand the elements, this controller features a fully waterproof and battery-operated design, ideal for use in gardens, lawns, and greenhouses. Installation is straightforward with the included solenoid and flexible mounting options, ensuring a secure connection to irrigation valves. Its advanced scheduling capabilities allow for customization with up to 3 independent programs, multiple start times, and adjustable run durations, promoting efficient water usage. The manual control option and LED indicators ensure the system can be operated effectively even without smartphone access, providing real-time status updates. The NODE-BT app enhances user experience by mapping controller locations, logging system events, and sending battery replacement reminders, simplifying maintenance tasks.